Most of us don't have an eye-popping net worth like Warren Buffett or Elon Musk. However, knowing your personal net worth is still valuable. It helps you track progress and compare your financial situation to your peers, not for competition, but for awareness. The Federal Reserve Board Survey of Consumer Finances provides average net worth by age, offering insight into how you compare. Understanding this can guide you on your financial journey. In this video, we'll show you the best ways to increase your net worth, enabling you to easily surpass the average person. Welcome to Master Your Money. We teach people about personal finance and investing. If you are interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Watch until the end for valuable tips on boosting your net worth. First, it's very important to understand how net worth is calculated. Many people have the wrong idea that their annual income counts as net worth, but this is not so. More simply put, net worth is what you own minus what you owe. Your assets would be your home, cars, or anything else that has any value. Items like a bank account, investments, a gold watch, and a diamond jewelry. If your house is worth $500,000, your cars are worth a total of $50,000, and other small assets amount to $10,000, that would total $560,000. However, this is not your net worth because debt is not taken into account. Now, suppose that you have a $300,000 mortgage balance, $40,000 in car loans, and $3,000 in credit card debt. That is a sum of $343,000 of debt that needs to be deducted from the total. Taking all the debts away from the total value of all assets would leave $217,000 as net worth in total. As you can see, this calculation has nothing to do with how much an individual earns. The Federal Reserve Board conducts a triennial survey of consumer finances to collect data about family incomes and net worth. This study showed that the mean or average net worth for U.S. households was a surprisingly high $748,800. It would seem that the ultra-rich households of billionaires drive the mean extremely high. Looking at the median, or midpoint value, provides a truer version of everyday person that you see on the street, probably someone more comparable to yourself. The overall median net worth of households in the United States is more reasonable figure of $121,700, which can easily be surpassed with some effort. For someone who is under 35, the median household net worth is just $13,900. There are many reasons for this. First, people in this age group have just started their careers and haven't reached a stable income yet. They may also have student loans, which make it hard to increase their net worth. They might have just bought a house or have never bought one, and that greatly affects the net worth. According to the Federal Reserve, the median net worth for homeowners is $255,000, while renters' median net worth is just $6,300. Also, they might not have started investing for retirement because of lingering debts or too low an income. Even when they have started, it takes a long time to see significant returns on their investments. The median net worth of people in the 35 to 44 age group is $91,300. This is an age bracket where the financial improvement starts to accelerate a little. By the age of 35 to 44 years, in most general ways, one has already established one's career and incomes have increased, but new responsibilities also arise with growing families. The purchase of a home has probably aided in this net worth growth as they are paying their mortgage down and owning an appreciating asset instead of renting or living with family. Retirement accounts have hopefully been established and added to regularly, but many people haven't begun to think about retirement yet, if they do at all. The 45 to 54 age group sees steady growth to $168,600. While there aren't always as many life changes from the previous age group, some households are beginning to see kids move out, which may or may not aid in the family budget. Still, many fail to begin planning for their future due to a lack of understanding of investments or due to the failure to realize the need to invest. Debts sometimes become larger and more luxuries are common because people feel that they deserve it because they work hard. Those between 55 and 64 see a slight rise to $212,500. Based on the previous group's parameters, the housing situation probably hasn't changed much. Maybe a few of them would downsize their home as their kids move out and less space is needed. Income peaks at this point in their life and starts slowing down due to fewer hours worked and less productivity. The situation keeps getting better for the lucky ones because of the growing investments, mortgages that are being paid down, and the ability to pay cash for other items instead of financing. Households between the ages of 65 to 74 have a net worth of $266,400, up slightly from the younger bracket. With traditional retirement beginning around age 65, net worth is no longer going to grow like it did before. Some are drawing on their investments, if they have them, and working less, if at all. Healthcare needs are increasing and may have a significant impact on the individual's finances, especially when they're unhealthy with limited healthcare coverage. Finally, the age group 75 and over shows a drop in median net worth to $254,800. For the first time, net worth goes down in this age group, but it's not always a bad thing. Spending what's remaining can be quite pleasurable. None of us know how long we are going to live, but why not treat yourself to a vacation once in a while, so as long as you are not going to run your retirement dry? Most people at this age are not working anymore, and even if they are, most likely their incomes aren't particularly high. Net worth is one way to track financial progress but doesn't guarantee financial independence. For example, someone with a $10 million net worth may still need to work if their assets don't generate income, like owning a pricey house and exotic cars. Conversely, someone with $200,000 could be retired if they have income-generating assets. A better way to get a sense of your financial health is by knowing your annual passive income and your annual expenses. More important than obsessing over the entire value of your households is to grow your investments so that they provide more income. If you're not financially free now, here are a few critical ways to increase your net worth that will eventually set you free. Pay off the student loans and credit cards, along with any other debts pulling down your net worth. This means you don't have to pay the lender's interest and your income is freed up for other things. Invest money into appreciating assets such as in real estate businesses or stocks, or do other investments that offer compounded returns. Another powerful way to become wealthier is finding ways to decrease your expenses, and there are many huge ways to save that you might not have thought of. Also, increase your income not just at your 9-to-5 or main job, but also create other sources of income that can be directed towards becoming wealthier. Lastly, be patient and know that it takes time to get ahead, but if you follow these steps, building wealth is inevitable. To master the art of saving and investing, dive into our Master Your Money with Frugal Living and Savings playlist and explore the Master Your Investing and Stock Market playlist. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for even more game-changing financial tips and strategies. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.